We greet you, children of the light. We bring you news of that which is to come on your earth plane, for it was in the workings for many centuries. Roughly 100 years ago, as you perceive time to flow, there was a great shift on your world. Great darkness has come to the surface to be witnessed by the children of earth, so they may have the opportunity to choose what they want to experience. Also at that time there was a great movement of light, unraveling of ancient mysteries, information that has been long forgotten by the children of earth, information of the star races, the wisdom of old. Many brave souls have come to the forefront to share their wisdom. Many groups and soul families have revealed themselves to the public, yet the ones that were not ready to hear and understand have chosen the same old direction as before. Just as then, so is now. Great secrets are being unfolded before the eyes of all, so all will have the opportunity to see and understand the makeup of all things, to witness for the first time how things move and operate on your world. For your race has lived in the cloud of illusions for thousands of years. Going back to antiquity, there were groups who made a conscious effort to suppress any knowledge that may empower the children of earth. All the history and sciences of old were deliberately kept hidden so you may not draw on its power. Just as there were groups who sought to keep you in ignorance, so there were also soul groups who have been contracted to counter this movement of the dark. There always have been a presence of both sides on this planet, but now the balance has been shifted to the light side, as you would call it. Yet darkness remains, for one cannot exist without the other. Just as then, and as always, you had the opportunity to choose the reality that you wish to create and to share with others. Now more than ever, the light shines bright, giving you the opportunity to see more and to understand more of who you truly are. While you live in darkness, you cannot see, for you are blinded by the lack of information. Now the light shines brighter with each passing day, illuminating the path of the human race. Now it is becoming evident for every human being what kind of world they are living in, and more they realize that they must choose how they want to move forward. To many, the possibility of choice is unclear. For too long have they been stuck in the swamp of illusions that is created by the lack of information and fear. But that is why you are here. You are here to reflect. You are here to shine and illuminate. Remember, we are not here to force change on any civilization. We are here to reveal the truth, to give an opportunity for all children of Gaia to move on, if they desire to do so. There has been a mass awakening in the sleeping collective. They have sent out a call for assistance and information on how to move out of the old paradigm that has been perpetuated for thousands of years. One side of the population is moving in a new direction, away from the old ways, and so the opposite side stepped forward to counter this advancement of light. The children of Earth can choose to stay in the old paradigm, but now, for the first time ever, you have the choice to leave it behind for good and move forward on the pathway of light. Know that this point has never been reached. There were many civilizations that tried but failed. Know that the heaviest part has been dissolved. You have moved through the greatest darkness. There was a tipping point in your year of 2020, but the advancement of corruption has been dissolved. Even though you may seem chaos and corruption on the surface, know that things need to play out in order for the collective to come clean. Everything must come to the surface for all to see, so all children can see and understand that they are responsible for their own creation, not just on an individual but also on a collective level. And from that point of clarity, they will have to make a choice on how to move forward. Do they want to perpetuate more of the same, or do they want to move on and create something new, something that is not based on fear, but rather it is based on abundance, balance, and peace for all? Now it is time to express your true divinity. Shine your light as never before, for that is your key to victory and life, to be your true self always. We greet you with the light of life, and we congratulate all of you for being here, transforming the darkness into the light of light. Be well, children of the sun.